Now you can have a single cup of Black Rifle coffee with these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You know I love Black Rifle coffee. It's delicious. Veteran owned, veteran employing. And they have made it even easier to make yourself a single cup of delicious, fresh coffee by making these singles packs. Now, I actually think, I've never tried them before, that they're a little bit like tea bags and that you will put them into a cup of hot water and brew your own coffee. So, this is what you get, the individual packages like this. And here you get the coffee all nicely ground. Oh my gosh, I can smell it. It smells delicious. In a little submergible filter. So, first of all, I've got a nice little tea kettle of hot water here, and we are going to fill up my BRCC mug. And now we're just going to drop in our coffee bag. You're also going to want to have a spoon handy to submerge this. Now, it says that you can just leave this submerged here for about 3 minutes to make yourself a cup of coffee, but depending on how strong you like it, you may want to leave it in there a little longer or even a little less. But I like it when my coffee kicks my ass, so it's going to go in there for a while. Let's let it sit and test it out. So I've gone ahead and let this coffee steep here for a few minutes. Now I am just going to fish out the coffee bag, and it says to give it a little squeeze, so I'm just going to do that on the side of my coffee cup here. And I'm actually going to use the original packaging here to collect the old bag. And now we will try my first cup of single serve coffee from BRCC. Dude, it smells amazing. Oh, yeah. Dude, that is fantastic. You know, I actually have tried the freeze-dried instant coffee from BRCC, and that's great. But this is fresh ground coffee without having to get out an AeroPress or a coffee filter or a coffee maker. And so this is going to be awesome to take on trips out in the wilderness, or maybe you're just at home and you just want to make a single cup of delicious coffee. Another great innovation by the guys at BRCC. If you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out.